5 days into July, Steve, and 2 of them had measurable rain at DFW. Believe me, if you live in North Texas long enough, you know that rain in July is almost always a gift because it is rare. But we have more rain on the way. In fact, let's start off by taking a look at radar. Now, there's nothing going on across the Metroplex. In fact, that's why the pool is open here at the Ray House. But as we take a look up around Jack County and up in Montague County, we do see some thunderstorms. There's a few over in Palo Pinto, but nothing nearly as strong as these thunderstorms that are bearing down now into Wise County. They continue to stay rather strong, especially that southern end that extends down into Jack County. We'll look at that a little bit closer because those are some very strong winds. Now, keep in mind that the radar is down in Fort Worth to the south of Fort Worth, so it is really, the radar beam is really far up into the atmosphere, almost by a mile. So it is measuring winds that are 60 miles an hour, but that's, like you say, way off the ground. They're not that strong at the surface, probably closer to 40. But needless to say, we're seeing some rotation there on the leading edge, not necessarily a tornado. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm just saying there's strong winds on that leading edge that probably are getting in that 40, 50 mile per hour range. So you certainly get inside as these thunderstorms approach. Besides, there's a lot of lightning. This is time lapse from this afternoon in Dallas, and that's the round of rain that came in and out across parts of Dallas County. It was very heavy on the eastern side. Over 4 to 5 inches of rain fell. But now at the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport, it was over an inch of rain that fell this evening. It was almost an inch at Love Field. There's your clusters of thunderstorms. You can see that first one moving over DFW and now off to our east. Here's the new one coming over the Red River Valley that's going to be dying out through the overnight hours. And there's more activity out in West Texas. There's a stationary front over us, and that just helps focus these thunderstorms on where they come in from the west. So there we are in the morning hours tomorrow, and we're seeing some thunderstorms around. So your morning commute could have some thunderstorms, if not soon after. In the morning hours, some strong thunderstorms, some gusty winds and heavy rain. And then as we get across midday and into the afternoon, that activity continues. You have the heat of day in the southern counties having yet to be disturbed from these thunderstorms. And the outflow boundaries, well, that all will team together, get some thunderstorms going, at least our southern counties for sure. And you can see at 8 in the evening, we're still talking about thunderstorms. This is July, like Steve and I were talking about a moment ago, and we still have good rain chances. Monday and Tuesday, they start to taper off Wednesday. But before it's all said and done with, we could end up with as much as 2 inches of rain in some areas. So this is a generous rain. It leaves by the time we get to Wednesday off to the east. And as soon as it leaves, we get into some very hot and dry conditions. In fact, I think by this weekend, we could have our first triple-digit highs of the season and get a little bit more than that, just over 100 degrees on Saturday, get 104 on Sunday is the forecast high. And truly July heat.